Hello! Today let us make a beautiful Christmas pouch without stitching. For that we need fabric paint, fabric glue, cloth and brushes. Place a paper on the picture in the phone. Use a sketch pen to copy the pic to the paper. Now we got the picture on the paper. Now copy the picture to the cloth. You can also use carbon paper. I am using pencil. Take a long cloth to make the pouch. Apply fabric glue on the end of the cloth and fold. Once again apply the glue. Fold and press well. Do the same on the other side also. Now take the fair side of the cloth and apply fabric glue on the long sides. Fold it and press it well. Take a long cloth for the handle. I took 2 cm wide. Apply glue on both sides and fold it inside. Now I am folding it from both sides to inside, like this. Again I am applying the glue and folding it once again. Now we got a thin handle. Fold it. Apply the glue and stick it. Apply the glue on the corner of the pouch and stick the handle. Turn the right side out of the pouch. Now place a paper inside the pouch to avoid spreading of the paint to the back side. Let us paint. Now we have completed the painting. Make sure the paint is dry before taking off the paper inside. Now the pouch is ready.